taught me how to live. It was Liz. Taught me how to live. It was Liz. It was Liz. Let's cover this song Liz by Remi Wolf. I saw a video she did with her collaborator Solomon. It's just the two of them performing it live. That's what I based this off of. I'm just going to go through the chords. He plays little lead lines between the chords. Starts out on the B flat minor 7. Then it goes to E flat 7. Then we go to G sharp major 7. And then from there we go to G minor 7. Then plays that for 1 bar. Then we go to F sharp major 7. And then we go back to the minor 7 on F. And then it goes to B minor, or B flat minor 7. That's what we started at. But instead of playing it up here, we're playing it down here because we were just at the F. So that starts Liz, Liz. This is the chorus. Then it goes B flat minor 7 to C sharp major 7. And then it goes to the G sharp major 7. And then we get a new chord, C minor 7. And then that repeats. B flat minor 7. C sharp major 7. G sharp major 7. And then to C minor 7. And then we get, that's the chorus, it repeats. And then we get that little transition. It was Liz. B flat minor 7. C minor 7. C sharp major 7. F minor 7. And then it starts over. So taught me how to live. It was Liz, Liz. Liz, Liz, Liz. Okay, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Bye.